Hi everyone! This tutorial is all about creating the ribbon art for your gift wrapping. I'm using cotton 100% paper ribbons from 𝐴𝐸𝐿𝐵𝐿𝐼𝐵𝐿.com. It's easy to curl just like the curling ribbon, but I absolutely love the cotton paper texture, which is non-shiny matte surface. You can create a modern and elegant look for the package. We are going to do 3 ribbon art project today. Let's get started. Cut 4 strips of ribbon. For the length of your ribbon, you will know how much you will need in the next step. Create a shape of number 8 and make sure the size matches the size of your box. Secure the ends using clear tape. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the ribbon strips. Attach 2 pieces together in a crossed position. Then attach the other 2 pieces in a diagonal position so that all the loops are placed in an equal distance from each other. Wrap your box and attach the ribbon art piece to the box with double-sided tape. Place a silk or paper flower inside the ribbon art. And done! This is an easy way to create a cute ribbon decoration for your gift wrapping. Next project is a fun and playful design. Cut 4 strips of ribbon. I love to personalize the ribbons with messages. This one is Happy Birthday, and it's perfect for wrapping birthday gifts or party favors. Create a paper ring. With the ends at the center, hold it in the middle. Secure the ends with clear tape. Repeat the same steps for the other 3 strips. We will do the same as the first design. Attach 2 pieces together in a crossed position with double-sided tape. Continue to attach 2 more pieces diagonally so that all the loops are positioned in an equal distance from each other. Fold up all the loops to make a fluffy ball. Wrap your box. Cut 2 more strips to create tails and tape them onto the package. Curl the tails by moving the blade of scissors from one end to the other. Place the ball on the package. Cut a small strip to make the center of the ball. Create a ring, then attach it to the center using double-sided tape. And done! We are moving to the last project. Create a small loop at the end, then tape to secure the end. Fold up the bottom and make the second loop right below the first one, then tape to secure the end. Continue making 3 more loops or as many as you like, following the same steps. cut the bottom at any length you like. Place ribbon over the clear tape to cover and decorate the bottom part. Close the end with double-sided tape. Adjust the tail at any length and design you like. And decorate your package with the ribbon art. Done! Thank you for watching the tutorial. Creating ribbon art for your gift wrapping is a great way to personalize your package too. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for the upcoming episode. Also, thank you all for commenting and emailing me your request. I'll do my best to follow up and create requested tutorials. As always, I appreciate all your comments and for liking and sharing my videos. I'll see you in the next video.